Hi friends, is it possible to run the pump without seal? Yes, it's possible with magnetic coupling. Today we are going to look about the magnetic coupling. So what is magnetic coupling? It is working on the principle of the magnetic lock with outer ring and inner ring. Between that one concentric stroud is there. When the outer ring is rotated, inner ring also will rotate. With this principle, we are going to look for the magnetic coupling. Before that, what is the use of the coupling and seal? Basically, pump consists of the prime mover and pump side, both connected by the coupling. Due to this coupling, we always have the seals. So coupling will be in different way: spider coupling, interference speed fault coupling. But we are going to look for the special about the magnetic coupling. Due to the direct coupling between the driven and prime mover, seals are coming. Like before, we are using the clamp packing, then clamp packing more upgrade to mechanical seal. Even though when we are using these both seals, minor amount of leakages will happen due to the improper maintenance. But if we are handling the hazard chemicals, is it good? Not. So developer come with some idea how we can develop the pump without seal. That means if possible to develop the pump without seal, that means there is no leakage. That will come to the end the design of the magnetic coupling pump. I will explain you in 3D manner. Magnetic coupling pump is a simple as like say either centrifugal or positive displacement. The working operation is normal. We need one driven and one drive force. It will rotate the impeller. Its centrifugal force impact the liquid to convert to velocity and convert to pressure energy. We'll dismantle this pump and look at it. What is there? Every pump must have the suction discharge flange. And this special we have one cooling line also. We look it by later. Impeller we need to rotate to give the centrifugal energy to the liquid to pass pump from one place to other. Impeller connected with the rotor. Rotor that means shaft with the sleeve. We have the bearing cover. It hold the and support the rotating shaft. Now the shaft is connected with inner magnetic coupling. So when this coupling rotate, the shaft will rotate the centrifugal pump, that means the impeller. This all spaces are in the pump. Now I am going to cover the whole structure with a containment shroud. This containment shroud I will explain later. That means the entire structure is closed. This containment shroud is a static piece, it's not the rotating piece. It is between the inner and outer magnetic coupling. It is a non-corrosive. This is the outer magnetic coupling. This outer magnetic coupling connected with the prime mover shaft. The whole first this arrangement is completely covered with coupling housing. There is no any seal, and outer magnetic coupling connected with the motor. When the liquid is filling, your impeller is rotating. It's convert the energy, so liquid is passed from one place to other. But here one other thing, the liquid is going inside also. Why the liquid need to go behind the impeller? For that we have to look for this special about the coupling, how it is working. Here I am going to demonstrate about the inner and outer coupling, that is inner magnet and outer magnet coupling. In between we have the containment shield, that green color. Inner and outer coupling have the permanent magnet. So when outside one is rotating, due to the magnetic lock between these two, it get locked and rotate inner and also the same speed. But due to the containment shroud, it is the metallic shield. It's a pure metallic shield. That means electrical conductivity it is there. So here eddy current is forming due to this magnetic field. The eddy current make that area will become very hot, that energy conversion. So we need to remove that hot. For that purpose, the processing liquid we are going to use for that purpose. So when I am pumping the liquid, this processing liquid come to the structure and it cool the bearing also. The bearing may be silicon carbide, and after that it is taking the heating away from the containment shroud, and once the heat is eliminated, the whole structure will run for so long time. The only maintenance, not the maintenance, the only monitoring system for this pump is we have to make sure that there is no any heat development inside the housing. For that the instrumentation is using continuously monitor the temperature. Main problem only when occur if there is a cavitation, vapor will form. That vapor is not good for the heat conduction. So the pump without seal and maintenance free is it now exhibiting all marine applications since 2015, I think so. Idea of the magnetic coupling pump started. They have to develop the pump without running of the shaft continuously. So it gives us very good system, reliable, maintenance free, and of course tension free about the leakage. Thank you my friends watching my video. For getting more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. I will try to put the new technologies and also whatever we have complicated cases in marine field. Thank you very much.